All right, well, today I'm not going to spend as much time on this as I did yesterday, but I hope to get some more stuff done since I don't have to cut apart old things. I might be able to get this goal still done. I want to be able to bolt all this to this, so I got to make some risers, my lower frame, and then some diagonals and get them welded up. So it'll be easier because I don't have to strip old shit. Let's figure out our measurements. So the original ones, I want these holes 5 inches lower than those. So to do that, I'm going to have another tube kind of in between. So for my in-between places, I need to subtract the thickness of the tube itself. So they're going to be pretty short, but let's find out how thick the tube actually is. I want to say it's 1 1/4, maybe 1 1/2. I can't remember offhand. 1 1/2. So that means they need to be 3 1/2 inches tall risers. Once I learned that cutting it this direction gives you the fish mouth, it made doing fish mouths a whole lot easier. It's a little on the shallow side. Same here, and this one's a little crooked. Ooh, we'll fix that. This one is too, so let's fix that. So, 4 risers are done. I'll go 1, 2, 3, 4. And then obviously I'll need the crossbars to go across them, and then the ones that go lengthwise that these will go onto. So let's measure for those. So these ones were 11 1/2. And I need my bottom to be 5/8 wider. So 5/8 plus what? 11 and something I said. All right, so I'll put the first fish mouth on here first. Once I get that, I'll start that from my lengths. Now, you might be wondering why I'm doing another one. I only need those, right? Well, as you notice, the frame narrows, because as I heat it, it shrinks this side of the tube, which makes it do this. So I want to put a spacer in there. I'm going to weld it in eventually anyway. Not yet, but it'd be nice to have it holding all my stuff secure. Oh, that's probably a good spot to leave it for now. Well, look at that. See, now they're straight. If anything, they go apart a little bit. But that's good, because that one will melt in anyway whenever I do weld it. But it'll hold it. Keep it nice and straight until I get to that point. Now, I need the two this way parts that the tabs will mount on. So, see, these two should be the same. Yep. Okay. Now, since I have this beautiful fish mouth, I don't want to ruin that. Let's start from the opposite end. These ones are going to be square cuts, providing I can actually do a square cut. Get it? Because that's hard to do. right, now, next thing I need to do, tack these on, measure the center, tack these on, and then tack these on, and then weld them all up. Woo! That was quick. All right, last thing I want to do for today is get this bolted onto there. Now, obviously, I don't have a mount for my steering yet, and that's got to get kind of put in after the fact with that little steering box thing there for the lower. So for now, I just want to get this out of here. Whew, it does fit. Now, I want to put this in from the back, and you'll see why the next, when I finish some of this stuff up. Alright, so this is about neutral height then. Let's get it stacked up. That's a little on the high side. Let's get this lower on here. Oop. Boom. All right, now let's get this so it actually is level, and we'll put the other one on. That's pretty close, but not quite. Let's see, is it gonna take one or two? One is perfect for you. But now I'm seeing a problem. That's leaning way over. Oh, that ain't good. I went off those original mounts. Let's see what this side looks like. Maybe I'm just shifted to one side. That would still suck, but we'll figure it out. Yep, so she's got a good bit of caster here. I don't know if I want that much. Matter of fact, I know I don't want that much. So I was going off of those original measurements off the original quad, and they give it a bunch of caster. I'm gonna have to take a little bit out of it. Yeah, I'm gonna have to fix that caster thing. Let's slide this guy in and see what it do. So, by the looks of it, it might be going right in here. Oh geez, I might have to take this all apart, huh? Oh, we'll do some more looking at it tomorrow. But for today, we got that mocked up. Couple issues, a little too much caster. I went with original. I might cut these and rotate them out. Maybe I shouldn't have just welded them all in there completely. Rotate it out till I get this where I want it, caster wise. And then go from there. That probably would have been a good idea. Yeah, bottom arm's a little longer too, so I'll take some out, and you can see it's got a crappy weld anyway. Dang it, those are already painted though. Nope, I'm gonna move the fittings on these another day. I'll rotate them in a little bit. I'll have to figure out how much though. But oh well, we're here. We got this far. See you next time. Buff it up, 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 buff it up,